Okay. Next question. All right, so the next question, we're given some information about a career of editor. So this top information just gives you information about, what editors do and how much they earn. And now the second part of the problem actually tells you what the problem is. So the editor, so this is all they do. Okay, so this is where it starts. So a local newspaper is planning a 5-part series of articles on gun control. The editor has received 20 submissions from his writers. He must decide which articles to publish and sequence in which to publish them. All right, so in our counting problems, you're gonna know that we have 2 types of counting problems, and that is permutations and combinations. Now, for the problems where the choice of the items out of the total as well as the order matters, it's going to be a permutation problem. So permutation questions, order matters. And you can recognize order in the problem in many ways. So there's some keywords that you can look for. So in this problem, the word sequence, the fact that he must decide which articles to publish in the sequence in which to publish them. The sequence implies that order does matter, which means it's a permutation question. And then to solve the permutation problem, you have to know the total number of items that the editor is picking from, which is 20, because there's 20 submissions. And it's a 5-part series. That means he's picking 5 articles out of 20. And because he's concerned about sequencing these 5 articles, we're choosing the permutation count as opposed to the combination. Okay, so at this point, you can use your calculator to plug this in. So you've got your total, you've got your subset number, and we can just plug that in. Calculator. So it's a permutation. I've got 20 articles. I'm picking 5. So that's how many options the editor has. Quite a few options. All right. Now, if you don't have a calculator, you can get this number manually. And what you have to do is basically have to think of it in terms of a fundamental counting principle. Okay. So to get this number manually, we would have to say, okay, so we've got a sequence of a 5-part series in the sequence. So we got the first article that he will publish, the second article, third article, the fourth article, and then the fifth article. And then for the first article, he's got 20 to choose from, then 19, 18, 17, 16. And then if you multiply those numbers together, you will get the same number that the calculator already gave us, which was this number. All right. Now, let's see if we can get the right answer. All right, good.